had a client coming in with a real challenging project for us, vehicle wrap. It's totally different from all the wraps we've done previously, or all the branding on vehicles that we have done previously. This one you had to print the whole panel from the nose of the vehicle to the end of the vehicle, and with all the bumps and nooks and crooks that there's in the vehicle, it brings up a whole lot of challenges to get the vinyl to be bubble free and to have all your wording exactly on the right place. The printer settings, we set it on bi-directional print with a 6-pass print. We thought it would work really well because the colors is vibrant, exactly what the client wanted. So after we printed the vinyl, we let it set for a day or dry for a day just to make sure everything is perfect, and then we put a UV coating over the print that helps protect the vehicle and the print, and the UV protection over the print will eventually offer a lot more protection and make the print last longer after we've put it on the vehicle. So the type of vinyl that we used was very important. We use Graffy Wrap, and what is really nice about this vinyl is whenever the client will get scratches or anything on his vehicle, the UV protection that is on the vinyl will protect the vehicle as well as the print. We started off at the back section of the vehicle. We didn't expect to have too much problems there because the back is quite straight and it worked very well. We've done that in a few minutes and it looks great. With the sides, we had a long panel to work with, and it was kind of difficult to align everything so that it is nice and straight. But fortunately we used a very good vinyl that has a little stretch in it, and it stretches over all the bumps, nooks and crooks that's in the vehicle. Once we aligned everything, we decided to cut it at the door bit to make it more workable and easier to align. And it helped us quite a lot because we know exactly where certain parts of the vinyl would be, where we can cut out the parts we didn't need. The heat gun came in very handy. It helped us quite a bit to mold the vinyl onto the vehicle where the handles and the bumpers and the lights are. The heat gun helps so that it takes the shape of the vehicle. Once we are finished with the trimmings, the vehicle really looks nice, and I think the client's gonna be happy.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine, I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.